How to add page transitions in Wix Studio. In order to do that, head over and click onto this Site Styles option that we can see right there. Now, from in here, you can see the all, such as colors, typography, max width, but you can click onto this arrow right here and it should be able to show you in here this page transitions. Click on that, and then from in here, you have the option to select a page transition. We have out and in. So you can head over and then click on that, and it should be able to show you up right here a free view of what that shall look like. So from in there, you should be able to see it right here. And you can also choose to apply this on all of the pages that you have onto your actual particular site. So that's how you add page transitions in Wix Studio. Hope we helped.